Okay, yeah, we will. Okay, ready? You want to give Lita some kiwi, Noah?
Boops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Mama.
Did you drop it?
Is
that good?
It's burning on my chin.
You Mama's little kiwi eaters? Are you eating too, Noah?
Yeah. It's strong.
Is it strong?
How much Jimmy?
I think Lita wants another bite. Lita. Noah.
He came from me.
Don't give it. No, you can't. Remember, you can't give it all to her, Shooky. You gotta be careful.
This soap, Mama.